Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to change the date format in Podio. This is a common question that I get asked, and I'm happy to share the solution with you. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been frustrated by the way dates are displayed in Podio? Maybe you prefer a different format, or maybe you just want to make sure that everyone on your team is using the same format. If you've answered yes to either of those questions, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date format in Podio so that it's exactly the way you want it. So, let's get started. How to change the date format in Podio. Go to the Podio website and log in to your account. Click on the Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Account Settings tab. In the Language section, select the language that you want to use. Click on the Save button. That's it. Your date format will now be changed to the format that you selected in Step 4. Here are a few additional tips for changing the date format in Podio. You can also change the date format for individual fields by using custom variables. You can use the moment.js library to format dates in Podio. You can find more information about changing the date format in Podio on the Podio Help website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.